Hi guys, today I am gonna discuss to you polynomials. Maybe almost all of us know about what is polynomial. Today we're gonna learn more about polynomials and different types of polynomials. What is a polynomial? In mathematics, a polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents. Examples are x squared minus 3x plus 6, which is a quadratic polynomial. History of notation. He popularized the use of letters from the beginning of the alphabet to denote constant and letters from the end of the alphabet to denote variables. As can be seen above in the general formula for a polynomial in one variable, where the a denotes constant and x denotes a variable. Descartes introduced the use of superscripts to denote exponents as well. So these are the types of polynomials. We have monomial, binomial, and trinomial. So let's define these types of polynomials. Monomials. In mathematics, a monomial is a polynomial with just one term. For example, 3x and 4xy is a monomial. Binomial. In algebra, a binomial is a polynomial which is the sum of two monomials. For example, 2x plus 5 is a binomial. In elementary algebra, a trinomial is a polynomial consisting of three terms of monomial. For examples is 3x plus 5y plus 7z is a trinomial. This bicycle with only one wheel is a monomial, and this is a usual bicycle which is binomial, and this is a trinomial. Uses of polynomials. Polynomials appears in a wide variety of areas of mathematics and science. For example, they are used to form polynomial equation which encode a wide range of problems from elementary world problems to complicated problems in the science. They are used to define polynomial functions, which appear in settings ranging from basic chemistry and physics to economics and social science. They are used in calculus and numerical analysis to approximate other functions. So polynomials is not only used in math or algebra, but it can be also used in science. Zeros of polynomials. Consider the polynomials p of x is equals to 5x cubed minus 2x cubed plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1 everywhere in p of x, we get p of 1 times 5 times 1 times 3 minus 2 times 1 times 2 plus 3 times 1 minus 2. So just simplify. So the answer is 4. So we say that the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 4. It's also the same when x is equals to 0. 5 times 0 times 3 minus 2 times 0 times 2 plus 3 times 0 minus 2. So the answer is negative 2. Zeros of polynomials. Degree. The degree of a polynomial is the highest degree of its term. When the polynomial is expressed in a canonical form, example is linear combination of monomials, the degree of a term is the sum of the exponents of the variables that appear in it. Degree of polynomial. If the degree is 0, it is constant. If the degree is 1, it is a linear equation. If the degree is 2, it is quadratic. If the degree is 3, it is cubic. And if the degree is 4, it is quartic, or less commonly quadratic. Here's how you find the degree of a polynomial. Look at each term. Whoever has the most letter wins. So as you can see, the x to the power of 6 That's the degree of a polynomial, same as this one. Graph of polynomial functions. The graph of the zero polynomials f of x is 0 is the x-axis. Graph of polynomial of degree 2. So these are tables. Polynomial 4, degree 0. Name using degree constant. Number of terms 1. Name using numbers of terms monomial. Arithmetic of polynomials. Addition, subtraction, and division. Addition of polynomials. Polynomials can be added using the associative law of addition, grouping all their terms together in a single sum, possibly followed by recording and combining of like terms. For example, method 1. Line up terms, then add the coefficients. So P is equals to 3x plus 7, and Q is equals to 2x plus 3. So just simply add them. P plus Q is equals to 5x plus 10. Addition of polynomials. Method number 2. Group like terms, then add the coefficients. 4x squared plus 6x plus 7 plus 2x squared minus 9x plus 1 equals to 4x squared plus 2x squared plus 6x minus 9x plus 7 plus 1. So just simplify and add. So the sum is 6x squared minus 3x plus 8. So the sum of two polynomials is also a polynomial. Subtraction of polynomials. Earlier, you learned that subtraction means to add the opposite. So when you subtract a polynomial, change the sign of each of the term to its opposite, then add the coefficients. Method number 1. Line up the term. Change the sign of the second polynomial, then add. For example, 4x minus 7 minus 2x plus 3. So just change the sign in the second equation. So it would be 4x minus 7 minus 2x minus 3. So the answer is 2x minus 10. Subtraction of polynomials, method number 2. Simplify. 5x squared minus 3x minus negative 8x squared plus 11. Write the opposite of each term. 5x squared minus 3x plus 8x squared equals minus 11. So group like terms. 5x squared plus 8x squared plus 3x plus 0 plus negative 11 plus 0 is equals 13x squared plus 3x is equal to 11. The difference of two polynomials is also a polynomial. Division of polynomials. The method using for finding division of polynomials are long division method and factor theorem. So long division method. In arithmetic, long division method is a standard division algorithm suitable for dividing multi-digit numbers that are simple enough to perform by hand. It breaks down a division problem into a series of easier steps. As in all division problems, one number called the dividend is divided by another, called the divisor, producing the result called the quotient. Factorization. Factor theorem: if p of x is a polynomial of degree n is less than 1, and a is any real numbers, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0, and p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x.